Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Rifki Argiano with name 123490015. And now I will I will show you the module 4 of Pneumatic Practicum is the application of PLC timer in pneumatic system. Okay, now we go to the practicum objective. The first is to understand the working principles of PLC timer on delay, pulse in a operation system. And then the second is to apply PLC timer to control the operating sequence of yeah, pneumatic actuator. Example is single or double acting cylinder. And then the third is train the students skills in reading and design leader diagram based on timer. And then we goes to the general question. The first is, what is the function of timer of PLC in a pneumatic system? Timer in a PLC is used to provide time-based control in an automation system. In pneumatic system, timers are essential for controlling the sequences of cylinder movement, ensuring delays between action and coordinating multiply actuator. For example, a timer can delay the extension of a cylinder after another cylinder reacts, or it can control how long a valve remain energized. This make the system safer, more efficient, and flexible. And then the second question is what is a different tone, timer on delay, and TOF or timer of delay? The difference between tone or timer on delay and TOF timer of delay is for tone or timer on delay, the output is active after a preset time delay once the input signal turns on. In other words, the output must remain on for the set duration before the time output becomes true. If the input turn off before the delays is complete, the timer resets. This is useful for delaying the start of a cylinder movement. And then for the TOF or timer of delay, the output is immediately active by active when the input turn on, but once the input turns off, the output will remain active for the preset time before turning off. This creates a delay in deactivating the output. It is useful for keeping a solenoid valve energized for a curtain the time even after the input signal has been removed. And then this is what is timer on a PLC? Timer is internal instruction that used to give you a delay, and then yeah, for the long output active for the system. This is the timer format for the PLC for team or timer, and then 0000 for address, and then hashtag 50 for a value timer, like this. And then this is the letter PLC that we will make at the JX Programmer application. Okay. Any questions? No. I think no. And then we go to the demonstrate the circuit PLC and pneumatic, the ladder of this PLC. Okay. Thank you. Okay. The next is we will to make the circuit at the CX programmer for ladder PLC. First, we have to open this application or CX programmer. Okay, now we create a new file, the module for this circuit. Okay, module 4. Okay, okay. Here is the inside of this application. At the first step, we have to click this new contact. Is the address is 000 for the on push button. Okay, then we make the off push button. This for the address is 01. This is the push button off. Then next we get this new horizontal. This then nuclear for the address is the W000. Okay, this is for the system. Okay. Then the under of the push button on, we add some new contact for the system only. W000. Okay, system. Okay, it's vertical plus this. This is the first circuit, and then for the second circuit is the like this. We add some new contact, same as system. Okay. Then add some the time is the address is T0001. Okay. Then this repeat repeat timer. No. Okay. This is for repeat timer. Okay. Then we add some new horizontal. This. Then add some PLC instruction for the time. The instruction is time or timer, and the address is 0000. And hashtag 50. Okay. Command is time on for turning on the solenoid that I practiced. Okay. The second circuit is been made, and then the third we add some push button again or new contact. This is for system again. The system, and then we add some. The new contact is for repeat push button. The repeat push button is the address is 002, and this is for repeat. Okay, and in the under the repeat push button is uh, for okay, this with some horizontal, vertical. The next we add some new coil. The coil is uh, this, okay. Then we add some new contact here, here. This is the for the time. One, two, three, four. Time on. Okay. Some new horizontal. New PLC instruction here. This is time, theme, timer. The address is the 0, 1. Then so 50, stack 50. Okay, this is for the repeat time. Okay, because this is yeah. Okay. The third circuit is the has been made, and then the last circuit is this 0, 0, 0. Okay, this is for the system. Then for the time, okay, time, and then we made the repeat time. This okay, this one, this for the repeat time. Okay, and then we just add some new horizontal. All right, some new coil here. The address is the for the solenoid or the output is the 100 100 for the address of solenoid or the output. Okay, okay. There is no error for this all of the circuit, and then the next step we have to run this program. This with work online simulator. Okay, this one. Wait until the program running. Okay, now the program is on. Okay, skip and this. We just have to turn this the system. Turn on the system for the time. Enter. Okay. The system is on. If we push this button on the first step, we will turn on the system. And then for the repeat time, turn on this new contact. We add someone. Oh, oh no 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 no. This isn't like this. Wait. Okay. I think this is uh, for the time one. Okay, like this. Then okay, turn on again. This the two of this contact is always on. Now we turn on the push button again. The system will on and the time will repeat this like this. And then if we do not turn on the repeat time, push button repeat time, the system will on immediately. And now we turn on the PB push button repeat. Yes. Okay. The time for repeat it will be counting until the time on this one will be off. Okay, the solenoid will on when this time is on, like 5 seconds. See, if this reach the 50, the system will off. Okay, and then we turn off the system again. Okay, the system are off when we push button off here. Okay, I think that is just my video for this time. I think that's enough. Thank you and see you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.